So I'm just currently using the agent on ChatGPT and it is mind blowing. I'm trying to do a research on top digital and social media marketers on LinkedIn and then use that to improve my own LinkedIn and maybe my wordings and stuff like that. So it is doing a good work. Like you can see it on my screen. It is recording, it is going online, reading, checking blog posts that have a couple of media top social media marketers and other things, processing and just getting the info for me. And then from there I can put it on my own profile and then improve it. Like this is mind blowing. I am really enjoying the agent. Um, I'm really enjoying the ChatGPT agent. So yeah. And after 2 minutes, I have a list of people that I can use. I can follow them and leverage their profiles to improve my own profile. But then I'm going to try something. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to look at my profile and help me make it better, make my profile better. Okay, so I'm just going to copy my LinkedIn profile. Um, just going to copy it here and back here. Okay, so I just put that. I just put in, hi, thank you. I just want to improve my LinkedIn profile. I'm a mid career lady and I want to stand out. Here's my profile and stuff like that. So it's opening, it's reading online. Um, okay, so it's trying to sign up to LinkedIn. Okay. Okay, so what it did, it actually just gave me like a list of things I could do to improve my. Still taking the time. It's still reading through blogs. Still reading through blogs, and I think what it would do is it would just give me a couple of suggestions, and then I could then tell it to put it in a document for me. Like I could create a document and actually connect it to the agent, and then it automatically goes into the document. I think this is crazy. This is good. This is really, really good. Yeah, just tell me if you're going to try it.